The person you are thinking about is currently feeling a shift in their energy towards you. In the next few minutes, I am going to share the exact manifestation frequency that bypasses their ego and speaks directly to their heart. By the end of this video, you won't just feel chosen, you will see the physical proof in your reality. If you are ready to be their only priority, listen closely because the old version of your relationship ends right now. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep, grounding breath. Inhale the certainty of your worth and exhale any doubt that has kept you waiting. Feel a warm, golden light surrounding your ring finger. This is the energy of commitment. As you breathe, you are no longer hoping for a proposal. You are stepping into the reality where it has already happened. The decision has been made in your heart. Visualize your person right now. They are no longer afraid. The fear of commitment has dissolved, replaced by an overwhelming realization they cannot imagine a future without you. Feel the weight of the ring on your finger. Feel the pride in their voice as they tell their family and friends, "This is my person. I am never letting them go." Experience the shift from will they to it is done. They are planning the moment right now. They are choosing the words. They are ready to claim you in front of the whole world. Allow that joy to flood your body. My person is reaching out to propose marriage to me immediately. My person is reaching out to propose marriage to me immediately. They are proud to claim me as theirs forever. They are proud to claim me as theirs forever. I am the only one they want to build a life with. I am the only one they want to build a life with. Every delay is gone. Our permanent union is happening now. Every delay is gone. Our permanent union is happening now. They are compelled to give me the commitment I deserve. They are compelled to give me the commitment I deserve. I am married to my soulmate, and my reality reflects this now. I am married to my soulmate, and my reality reflects this now. Our love is sealed with a lifetime promise. Our love is sealed with a lifetime promise. To lock this marriage energy into your physical reality right now, go to the comments and type, "I am the proudest choice and I claim our marriage now." By typing this, you are signing the contract with the universe. And within the next 48 hours, you will see a blue butterfly. It may be in person, an image on your phone, or even a mention in a song. This blue butterfly is the universe's signal that a major transformation towards your permanent commitment is officially in motion. When you see it, know that the ring is on its way. This frequency is powerful, but if you want to collapse the timeline and make this proposal happen even faster, you must align your entire energetic field. I have created advanced tools and resources specifically for marriage manifestation at joybyjanell.com. Do not leave your future to chance. Go to joybyjanell.com right now to claim the specific techniques that turn maybe into I do. Your person is waiting for you to lead the energetic way. The wait is over. I am so happy for your new beginning. I'll see you at joybyjanelle.com.